Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to download Instagram voice messages. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So officially right now Instagram does not offer a direct download option for voice messages within the app. However, to save an Instagram voice message, you will need to use a screen recording method or potentially leverage Instagram's data download feature for broader chat exports. So you can use the built-in feature of screen recording in your app, or you can also use a third-party screen recording app to simply play the voice message in your Instagram chat and start recording your screen. Capturing the voice message's playback, you have now recorded the file itself and it is now stored in your device. So this way you can simply download Instagram voice messages. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.